Our first unilateral exercise that we use, our most basic exercise, is that we use our split squat. We use it with either dumbbells or with a barbell. Our beginning exercises start with dumbbells. We'll be in a split position, or what would be a lunge position. We'll have good width between our feet. There's no designated distance on how we do this. From this position, we're going to be in a strong upright position just like we are in our squat. Our lats are locked down. The dumbbells are almost behind our body or directly to the side. The dumbbells should not be in the front of the body. From this, he's going to initiate the movement down and forward, stretching the back hip flexor out as he comes back up. We don't want the knee to deviate in front of the toe. His is tracking outwards, and it stays right on top of the foot as we go. That's our first progression. Go ahead and change, Coach. We'll have what's called front foot elevated split squat, or FFE split squat. Again, we'll have the dumbbells in the same exact position. Coach will now put his foot on top of a plate. His front foot will be elevated, and he will perform the same exercise. Sitting down into the squat, now trying to get deeper. We don't want you to bang your knee on the ground. That's how we have injuries. We want to control. That's our front foot elevated. From there, we'll have what's called rear foot elevated. Coach will now put his rear foot up on a box. It could be a bench, it could be a box, it could be a couple plates. He will then do the exact same thing, which is sit straight down. He's going to drive his hip forward and then be in a good position. Get down to the bottom for me, Coach. He gets into the bottom. You can see that the knee is behind the hip is behind the shoulder. At no point should it be on top of each other, and you shouldn't be hunched over in that position. Okay? This is to teach our reverse lunge. So now, Coach, now that we know how to do this, our reverse lunge, Coach is going to start feet together, shoulder blades back, upright. He's now going to take a step back, sink down into the exact position. Coach, take one more step and hold it for me. This is the same exact position as our split squat that we talked about earlier. So, Coach, we use our split squat to teach our reverse lunge. Again, if it says BB or barbell or DB or dumbbell, barbell is using an actual bar on your back with all of the exercises. If it says dumbbell, you're going to hold two dumbbells out to the side.